Hi everybody, this is Henrik and welcome to another video of carpet cleaning. On this video I'd like to show you a great carpet cleaning results of heavy stained carpet. Location Nash, just about 10 minutes north from Timber Wells. Generally dirty synthetic carpet with some pet stains, as customer's puppy still learns. Hope you enjoyed the video and please hit that like button. As you can see, I left my two hoovers in the room. The reason being is there's some furniture I still need to move to the room. As soon as I'm gonna finish the first one. Huge difference, isn't it?
Yeah.